Guys, how many of you start your day by checking up your mobile phone? Please mention it in the given comment box. Well, आज जो मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ and that is how you can keep yourself motivated for your whole day and achieve all your tasks and goals and destination. तो for that आपको वो सभी वर्ड्स फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे जो मैं आज आपको बताने जा रही हूँ. एंड बिलीव मी, अगर आपने वो सभी काम किए, what I'm going to tell you, surely you will get what you want, surely you will achieve your aims, surely you will achieve your goals. So the focus word for today is savers. SAVERS. So let's go to the first letter, and the first letter is S, means silence. Start your day without any device. अपने फ़ोन को हाथ भी मत लगाना सुबह उठ के. Freshen up and sit silently for 2 or 3 minutes and take deep breathing and focus on it. हाँ, आप इसे एक तरह से मेडिटेशन कह सकते हैं, but the thing is, don't engage yourself in other works. Just get up, खड़े हो, and only for 2 or 3 minutes, just sit silently. The thing is only this. Later, the second letter says that A. A means affirmation. Affirmation, reiterate again and again your settled tasks for your whole day. Reiterate. Like for example, अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि if you have settled a task that अगर आपको आज कोई एक चैप्टर करना है, if you have to do this work for today, then just reiterate that tense 2 or 3 times. For example, if I say I have to do with the history's second chapter today, then you have to say to yourself 2 or 3 times, say I will do history chapter today, I will do chapter number 2 of history today, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this, and reiterate this. What it can do, it will actually stick your subconscious mind and things will happen as you say. And if you possible, then write them down and reiterate and read them again and again. Okay, तो मतलब बस खड़े हो और उन सब चीज़ों को बोलते रहो what you want, what you have to do for the whole day. And believe me, वो आपके माइंड में जाके चिपक जाएगा कि हाँ आपको ये करना है. तो यू विल बी डूइंग ऑल दोज थिंग्स व्हाट यू हैव, मतलब अपना पूरा रात को तो प्लान आपने बना ही रखा है ना, उन प्लान्स में जो भी आपने टास्क सेट किए हैं उन सभी टास्क को बार बार बोलते रहो, खुद से बोलते रहो, तो वो क्या होगा, आपको याद हो जाएगा. एंड अगर वो जाके आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे स्ट्राइक कर जाएगा, देन व्हाट इट विल डू, यू विल श्योरली डू देम. ओके, the third word which says me that visualization, the second and most effective technique to get what you want, believe me, visualization. हर उस चीज़ को विजुअलाइज करो that you want. जैसे if you want to be a doctor, सोचो सफ़ेद कोट, हाथों में स्टेथोस्कोप and your patience. हाँ, that passion and respect भी. समझ में आया? This is the most effective technique. Visualize what you want to do in your life and leave that dream for 2 or 3 minutes. हाँ, ख्याली पुलाव मत पकाना, कहीं लग जाओ 3-4 घंटे बस सोचने में ऐसे पूरा दिन निकल जाए. But the thing is, if you visualize all those things, it will motivate you by your heart, and you will do each and every work that you will do for in that day. वो आपको आपके सपने के पास लेके जाएगी, and that will actually help you to achieve your aim. So the third one was visualization. Visualize what you want to be. Visualize all those things, your aims, your destinations, and your dreams. The fourth word is exercise. Maybe I think you all know about it, and the most important thing that you should do while getting up in the morning, and exercise is the most important thing that you should do. You should actually do. Believe me, it will actually keep you motivated, it will keep you freshen up, and you know about exercise well. So the fifth word that comes in our line is reading. Of course, reading. As you know that reading is the most important weapon for the education also, and education is the most important weapon that you can use to change this world. And the most important weapon is going to be what? Surely reading, right? So reading read some improvement books, for example, which can just those books which can keep you motivated, जो आपके माइंड को ठीक रखें, जैसे द पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, you can read that. Or else you can read the ancient and the great Bhagavad Gita also for 20 or 15 minutes, only 10 to 15 minutes or 20 and more, and the highest degree of time is just half an hour. Just consume that time reading all those books which can keep you calm, which can keep you motivated, not motivated but keep calm. Okay, जैसे भगवद गीता, जैसे द पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, that keeps you actually physically and mentally strong. Okay, that makes you mentally strong actually. The sixth word is scribing, right? Scribing मतलब क्या है? Simply you are just writing down the things that you have to do, the things that you will do, the things that you want. Okay, जैसे write your dreams and goals in the piece of paper and be positive. The most important thing is be positive. Don't think negative, never think negative. Okay, of course, every night write on a paper your timetable and a schedule for your next day, एंड दैट विल बी, मतलब रात में अपना पूरा टास्क बना के रखना, सुबह उठ के वो सारे काम करना जो मैंने बताए, पॉजिटिविटी, साइलेंस, उसके बाद विजुअलाइजेशन, उसके बाद वो रीआइटरेशन, वो सब करना. ओके, दैट विल कीप यू मोटिवेटेड. And in the last, I would like to say thank you for watching till the end, and don't forget to hit the like button to keep me motivated as